Rogini College of Engineering and Technology, Department of Mechanical Engineering welcomes you to the introduction video of Unit 4 in Power Plant Engineering. The Unit 4 is about power from renewable energy. Here we will be discussing about the hydroelectric power plants, classification, typical layout and associated components including turbines, principles, construction and working of wind, tidal, solar photovoltaic, solar thermal, geothermal, biogas and fuel power systems. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy, often referred to as clean energy, comes from natural sources. For example, sunlight or wind keep shining and blowing even if their availability depends on time and weather. Renewable energy is made from resources that nature will replace, like wind, water and sunshine. The first topic in power from renewable energy resources is hydroelectric power plant. In hydroelectric power plant, kinetic energy of water is converted into mechanical energy by a turbine and then electrical energy by a generator. The next topic is the classification of hydroelectric power plant. The hydroelectric power plant can be classified into four types. The first one is the classification according to the availability of load. The first one is the low head power plant, second one is the medium head power plant, and third one is the high head power plant. And the second classification is the according to the nature of load. First one is the base load and second one is the peak load plant. And third is the classification according to the quantity of water available. The first one is the runoff river plant without pondage, runoff river plant with pondage, and pumped storage plant. And the fourth classification is based on the power developed. According to the power developed, the first one is the large hydro power plant. It can produce more than 100 megawatt. And second one is the medium hydro power plant. It can produce from 15 to 100 megawatt. And third one is the small hydro power plant, and it can produce up to 14 megawatt. And the fourth one is the mini hydro plant, that is above 100 kilowatt to below 1 megawatt. And the fifth one is the micro hydro power plant. It can produce from 5 kilowatt up to 100 kilowatt. And the sixth one is the pico hydro power plant, that it can produce power from few hundred watts up to 5 kilowatts. And this is the layout of hydroelectric power plant. And here it can consist of the catchment area, a dam, a gate, a surge tank, a penstock, a inlet valve, a turbine, a control room which consists of a generator room and a draft tube. Basically, a modern hydro plant is composed of a reservoir, a dam, penstock, turbines and generators. The reservoir stores the fuel and allows operators to control how much water is fed to the turbines. Most of the dirt in the water are settled at the bottom and away from the intake area. Water from the reservoir is delivered to the turbines to the intake, that is the dam gates and penstock. A filtering system at the intake further cleans up the water to ensure that it is relatively free of suspended solids which could damage the turbine blades. Hydraulic system, the governor, the brakes, the gate controls and so on work together to open and close the aperture that allow water to flow downstream from the reservoir. The water wheel of the past has evolved into the modern turbines. There are three types of turbines used, that is the Francis turbine, the Kaplan turbine and the Pelton turbine, which are named after the inventors. Regarding to the designs, the turbines convert the electrical energy of moving or falling of water into mechanical energy. The turbine is connected through the shaft to the rotor of a generator that converts the mechanical energy into electricity. For the greatest efficiency, turbines are custom made for each hydroelectric power plants.